morning, everyone. Respected my teacher, principal, and my dear friends. I am Aradhya. Today I am going to speak few lines about ice cream. Let's start. Today I am going to speak few lines about ice cream. Ice cream is a frozen sweet food. The ice cream was invented by Persians. Ice cream is a very popular food all across the world. Ice cream is a great demand during the summer season. This is mostly loved by kids, but people of ages eat ice cream. Ice cream is made from water, milk, chocolate, and other ingredients. There are different types of flavors in the ice cream. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry flavor are most popular. Kids love to eat with fruits flavor such as mango, orange, etc. Sweet ice cream makes us happy and vanish the sadness. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment and share my channel. Don't forget to